everyone and welcome back to World of Mike. Today we have the replacement part for the Agora Models Lepard 2A6 tank. As you can see from last time, if you remember, I had a part awaiting to be replaced. If we just put this over to one side, as you can see, I've got my new mat here. And the lovely team over at Agora Models has actually sent me this replacement for me. So as you can see, we've got the part here with compliments. They love their presentation, as you can see. It really goes well with my mat. So all we need to do, take this off. As you can see, this is the part that we had last time. And as you can see, it's got a clear through panel in it. And you've got three pegs here. So what's going to happen is we've got this section here. You've got 1, 2, and 3. It looks to me like we just have to fit it in as best as we can. Obviously, very careful. It's probably a nick. There's probably a special way of doing this, but let's have a look. We want to get it in best we can. So let's have a look at this side here. It looks like, can you see there's like a little lip? Oh, a little bit. It's one of them little pieces got to go really careful with to get in. There we go, and as you can see, you felt that click into place, and as you can see, no glue there required, and that is our piece that we've waited for. So a huge thank you. As you can see, it's got like a little see-through panel. It'll be interesting if we have like a light that feeds up through there to shine something out. I don't think it is. I think it's just for display purposes, but I just want to, you know, thank Agora Models for sorting that out for me. Very happy. Hope you like that video. Please remember to like and subscribe and tap the ring-a-ding-dong bell if you want to be notified of all my videos. Don't forget to do that. And we'll see the tank. I think it's August because I'm on the 24-month package, which means I think the first time they take a payment, and they ship it, and then the next month they take payment but don't ship it, and then the month after that they ship it, or you'll have to have a look, but I think that's how it works, but don't quote me on that. But yeah, I'm so pleased to have that part. They're really good. They'll send you the replacement normally the next day, and wow, special delivery. Wow, really happy to have that part there in place. So yeah, take care, have a lovely day ahead, bye bye.